Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Pictory AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pictory.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Pictory AI website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login page. Now from this page, click on sign up at the bottom section and you will end up within the sign up section. Now you have two different options. You can click on continue with Google to sign up using your Google account, or you can enter your first and your last name followed by your email address. Then enter your account password and click on continue. You will then be asked to verify your payment method to start your free trial. Click on verify payment method and you will now be asked to enter your credit card or your PayPal details. Click on PayPal if you wish to use PayPal and then you can click on the button and log into your account. After filling up all of your credentials, you can click on the add button for your credit card, and now after setting up your payment information and choosing your plan, your sign up will be completed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Pictory AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.